So when y'all want to make a turkey, don't do this. You're going to end up with a fire. And sometimes you put it in the oven, try to do the right thing, and it just ain't done, and everything's ruined. I'm going to show you the easiest, perfect, no error way to make a turkey in your Instant Pot. Check this out. It is perfect every time. We've done this like 70 times. Look at that. Does that not make you hungry and make your mouth water? It's perfect, cooked all the way through, and it's moist. It's not dry like when you bake it. And you can do this all year. I'm going to show you exactly what to do in this here video. So here's all the fixes. We have Thanksgiving like on a Tuesday in July because we can. I just get one of these Butterball 3-pound turkeys. I ain't got to worry about all the gizzards and all that stuff. It's already taken care of. Now, this is the Instant Pot Pro. It's got the removable insert. And here's my Butterball 3-pound turkey. This is all I need, the boneless breast. Now, you cut this guy out. You do have to defrost it. It comes frozen, and it's best to defrost it, but you can put it in there frozen. The only problem is this gravy sack will be stuck to it, and you have to run some hot water on it. Otherwise, it's stuck with ice. And there it is. It's wrapped up in the string and everything. You ain't need to do nothing. Just drop that baby in there. You're ready to go. Now, it says you use some broth. I use a little chicken broth. I use this Goya stuff. I couldn't find no bouillon cubes. So I just dumped it right on top there. And then you're going to pour about 2 cups of water because you can't cook anything in a pressure cooker without water. That's what builds the steam. It builds the pressure. Celery salt, because my wife doesn't like the texture of celery. So we'll just do that for her to get that taste, that flavor in there. So I don't have no regular celery in there. Black pepper is always good, delicious. And you see my garlic there, and put a healthy amount of garlic in there. We like a lot of garlic. It's good for your heart, too. And I just throw it. She doesn't like onions either, so I just kind of quarter it and throw it in there. And a nice heaping teaspoon of garlic. And I like these little jars. They're real easy to work with. And put your insert into it. There it is. She's ready to go. There's nothing else I need to do. It couldn't be easier. Now, all you do is put your top on, lock it into place. These things do not blow up. They're completely safe. They have a pressure release valve. I turn it on pressure cook for 1 hour and 30 or 31 minutes. 1 hour, 31 minutes. That is all you need. No 5 hours, no checking on it later. It is one and done. Hour and a half later, let's take it off. I let the pressure out, and there it is. Look at this. Every time, I'm telling you, every time we do this, it is perfect in the Instant Pot. This is like a miracle, ladies and gentlemen. You see the string still on there, so you do need to cut that all off. It just keeps it together. Otherwise, it'll fall apart like pulled pork. Look at that, just coming apart so nice when I took the string off there. It is perfect. It is moist. It is flavorful. It's delicious. I'll be eating on this for 2 days. This is how you make turkey. The Instant Pot is a miracle device. My dog's like, oh my God, you making turkey again? So good. Y'all need to try this. Happy Thanksgiving.